Tignan mo yung ginawa mo kay Chloe. Miss Paris na tayo.
Dude, it's really not that deep. We can literally just wipe it off in a minute.
Arte ang putik, sasapakin na kita eh.
Dude, is it my fault that I talk like this?
Nag-talk like this, pabebe.
How is that pabebe? So, speaking English is considered as pabebe? Is that your perspective? Speaking English is pabebe?
Oh, mag-aaway pa kayo yan. Hindi, te, yung accent mo, yung pabebe.
Girl, what's wrong with my accent? Most of my classmates, most of the people I know speaks like this. Fine, I'm sorry if I grew up with like people surrounding me that talks like this. I'm sorry, that's on me. That's my fault that I grew up speaking like this. You can't blame me for that.
Ay, sino yan nun?
Ate Jim, ba't mo pa kasi sinama tong pinsan mo?
Ay, huwag niyo ako dinadamay dyan. At isa pa, pinsan ko din yan. Pag nag-usap kayo, may nahon.
I try...
Huwag kayo magsigawan.
Hindi